Hi guys, if you are looking for a way to buy Memecoin on Tom blockchain with Tom ecosystem, this is the right video for you. So first thing you have to do is to download the Keeper wallet. You can even download this on your phone or on your PC. So search for Keeper, Tom Keeper wallet. So that will be for the Chrome extension. It's going to show in your browser. As you can see, this is for the app and this is their website. So when you go directly to their website, so it's going to show you, as you can see, keeper for iOS, keeper for Android, keeper for Pro, even in Telegram. Okay, now we have the browser extension, we have the Firefox extension, we have other extension. Just install it. Keep phrase intact, make it safe. So the next thing is go to the screener. This is one of the tools that we normally use when I'm also trading on Solana. So if you're interested in trading Solana meme coin like using bot, yeah, you can check on my YouTube channel. But this is what we are going to use though. So I'm not going to go through a long process here. I'm just showing you uh how you can buy Memecoin on the play store. So after going that one, you see below right here. So get this is done. This is SE. Let I thought that I want to buy. Let me find someone with good profits. Let me buy. I want to buy this random. Okay, let me see the one like the top performing, top gainers in next 24 hours. This is the random, is the top gainer. And we have another one, it adds on ton open system. We have another one right here. So this doesn't perform. I just assume that this is one that perform on this chain. As you can see right now. And I don't want to even tamper with this one. Okay. I don't want to do anything. This is price in USD. This is the liquidity and this is the market cap. Okay. I don't know who own this, but I think it's kind of doing some kind of a justice that we need. Like justice has been served to this. Okay, so this is it. It moves sideways, and sometimes okay, this is not even now. So just want to show you guys an example first. So after you get to this screener, we already have this one. So let us all want to buy this one. I've already opened it. Okay, already open it right here. The next thing you have to do is to copy the smart contracts. Okay, copy the smart contract. Go to this website which is called the stone.fi. The link will be dropped inside the description below. So it's called the stone.fi. This is where we can buy anything. It's just like the Radium, like the Uniswap, like the Pancake Swap. Okay, this is how it is. Now you want to go down below after you have already funded your wallet. Okay, you can buy Stone on OKX or just swap it. Now, want to select on and click on receive. You want to show paste the smart contract. As you can see, random is going to show. Now click on random now, agree and continue. Okay, now here is it. Now 0.1 ton can give me almost like, is it not, let me see how much we 0.5 ton costs. So 0.5 ton costs almost almost like, let me see, wow, this price is even high. This price of this thing is high. See, price in here is 0.17 ton. Wow. So this is it. So as you can see right now, they say you trade at your own risk. Anything price impact too high. When you see price impact too high, you can go here and increase the price. It can be like you can change it to like 10%. So you can change like 10% for you to read it. Okay. So I can reduce the price just for me to get a gas fee for this. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, like five, let's go for five, and you can wait. Okay, so you can even go for as low as 0.1, but mainly I normally go for 10 or 15. So to make the trade goals, I'm still going to find a pool that we can use to trade on this one. So you can just buy right here, confirm it, and it's going to show you in your wallet just like this. So these are some meme coin in my wallet. We have the tippets, we have the analogs, we have the chucks, we have the whiskey, we have the stone, I don't know, the whiskey. And that is all this. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.